House number house number 8. House number 8. Go to house number 8. Okay. Hi, Mom. Okay, you do this. You do this. Okay, okay. I'm gonna blow. Like, what's the purpose again? I'm looking for the bubble stuff.
Guys, I'm going.
And you have to go in. And you have to go in. And I think that was just a bag. Look, yes, the grass. And you have to go to the church. And then you have to first you say the fourth time. I think blood red black. So let's go. I'm just no, I just want to. And what should we do? Bring that one back. One, two, three, four. Now this one. And now let's go to yeah, no, I'm already here. Okay, now let's go check. It's still the same. I'm being Mahal. Look, it's still the same. Okay, I'm going Oh, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Where is it again? Um, where's the under? Here? Here? Wow. Found it. You guys, it's only like that. Wait, let's check the museum. Let's go. So now Okay. Okay, let's go, Yana. Let's go to the museum. I mean, we're going to the bookstore first. Let's go to the bookstore. Wow. Yeah, let's go to the bookstore. Okay, I hope it. What's the bookstore? Nope. Okay. Where's the bookstore? Okay, for the first one, go to the right here. Follow me. I'm jumping. Right. Wait. Oh! Mm. Okay, sorry guys.